So I'm starting here on the Benchmark Advanced dashboard. I'm going to click on Kindergarten and Unit 1. I want to make an assignment for my students using this shared readings and poetry book. And then that's going to take me to this ebook. Once I'm in the ebook, I don't want to assign the entire book to the students because then they would see this entire book and not know what to do. So I start by clicking on Edit Mode, and that's going to pull up a screen that looks like this. In order to remove pages, I click on this caret or arrow, and then I'm going to delete the pages that I don't want the students to see. So this part might be a little time consuming, but I'm going to delete all of the pages except the specific story that I want the students to see. Once I'm finished with that step, then you'll see that I just have 2 pages in this book now. What I can do is I can add some annotation. So you'll click on the tools off to the right hand side. I'm clicking on the toolbar, and it's pulling up all of these different options. So for me, I'm going to add a post-it note or a sticky note onto this book for the students. I'm going to make it yellow. And then I can click to have the post-it note appear, and then I'm going to type in some instructions. Okay, so for this specific assignment, the students would be reading the passage, and then they're going to write 3 pairs of rhyming words. So that they would write on their notebooks. After that, I'm going to save this, and then it's ready to go. So I'm saving all those annotations so that when the student opens this, then they'll see this sticky note. They hover over it, it will open up, and they can see their instructions. After I initially save it, if I want to save any more changes, I just click the cloud with the arrow, which is Save Current. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a customization menu where you can see all of the different customizations you've made. So you're able to make more than one customization for the book. So here's the one that I just made. It's called Assignment 1, and that's what it looks like. Now that I'm finished with the customization, I can click Done, and it takes me back out to my main page. Now here, this is the book that I was just using. This is the Shared Readings and Poetry book. I have this new icon that appears if that was my first customization. And this allows me to choose which customization I want. So I could click on this one. When you click on that, then this ebook text will turn yellow, and that's how you know that you've clicked on it. In order to assign this, I'm going to click, drag it here, and then it will pre-populate the assignment name based on the name of the customization, the materials. I could add some more instructions if I wanted to. Here is where you can enable or disable audio, which means it will read the book aloud to the students. I've got my class, and I have my group. So I'll talk about the fact that you need to make a group. So you need to make a group and either put all of your students in that same group and just have that group be your class, or you can make specific groups for different levels of students. I've got all students, and then I have a due date. After I click Save, now the assignment is assigned to the students. So if you want to look at a list of your assignments, you can scroll back up to the top, click on the menu button, Assignments, and then you'll see the assignments that you've made. So here's the one I just made. And then I can see who it's assigned to and their status.